I've made my decision on which set of XR500 engine cases I'm going to use. As I'm sure most of you already know, this was out of an 82 XL500. One of these is an XR500. The cases are all the same. They're the generation prior to the RFVC motor. So this one has sustained the most damage. Sorry about that. The case is broken here at the sprocket, but still usable. This set sustained a little bit of damage right here, but still a very good usable set of cases. But this one is the best, no damage. I've cleaned all of them at the car wash, and now I get to go through all the parts and pick out the best of everything. And some things I'm just going to have to get new, probably like possibly crank bearings. I'm going to have a cylinder board and go with a new piston kit. But the fun begins. I really enjoy the meticulous nature of engine building and the cleanliness of it, to keep everything clean and detail everything. And these were all just disgusting inside, but spent a little bit of time cleaning them. Took out every single dowel pin and oil port and oil jet, whatever you want to call them. I don't even remember what cylinder or which engine this came off of. It's an XR5 or XL500 cylinder. I just don't remember which case. But here, let me put some light on it. And so this will be the XL that I'll be building. I'll probably go ahead and build a motor and put it in it as is, as the bike is, in these colors and basic condition. Needs handlebars, but and get it running. And then I'm gonna pick out my own colors, my own color scheme, and do it up exactly the way I want it. And I'm not selling it either. So this is going to be my project XL 500. These are just one of the most beautiful bikes. I especially like the 82 XR 500. I think it looks a little bit better than the XL, but of course the XL's taken on the street, so to me they're a little bit more valuable. Good companion for this. I appreciate you watching, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. Please subscribe, like, and share, and I might even be selling new parts that would fit this series of, or this generation of XR and XL 500 and 250. Thanks again for watching.